Hello everyone, a very good morning. So we are just doing a warm up. I'm having my warm water because I have a very bad throat today, unfortunately. Preeti, hi, nice to see you here on live, yaar. Come on, this is the lady with herbal products. I love her
Wow,
products. Yeah.
it's
So
amazing when women are get into business. Women in the business is like it's like
and she runs it from home, so that even magnifies the stuff. I mean, she handles it
absolutely.
so well.
I agree. I agree.
Hey
I agree. Thank you
guys.
so
Yeah,
much.
hi Akash. Good morning, Akash is also there with us, the book writing expert.
Woohoo!
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, so there will be many applause, but I guess now is the right time to set the mindset of the people joining in who will be joining late. We'll accept you. You all are accepted here. If you miss on due to network connections, don't miss out to see the recording as well because we have a lot of things. So the reason why we are doing lives often these days is very, very simple because we want to connect with you guys. We want you guys to have energy because that is something that we get from each other when we are in touch. So that that hits you every time कि यार करना है like people will say अच्छा ये होगा क्या, but then there are some people in your life who will say यार ये जरूर होगा करो. Okay, so if you are connected to these kind of people, so that
How
is
many?
what you need ultimately. तो वो आपको चाहिए and that is something अगर if it can happen through this morning live, then why not? Let's just talk
Absolutely.
about what you're feeling in your business. What is it that you expect? Because today we have on our show two experts. Number one is Ranjana Yadav. She's a peak performance coach. So she tells you how to perform better, take actions, hit your energy levels, and everything. Okay. So if you have any questions, questions are open. Second thing is we have Akash Bhabar. He is the CEO of Bhabar International Publication, helping people to write books. And the magic he has created is taking Hindi language conversations and communications to even foreign countries and teaching them how to write the book. So that's the power that we have within ourselves because अगर हमको चेंज करना चाहें तो आई डोंट थिंक लैंग्वेजेस मैटर. यस इट डज मैटर इन टर्म्स ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड कम्युनिकेशन, बट जहां कोच करने की बात आती है या जहां समझाने की बात आती है द बैरियर्स दे गेट connected. I mean, there are no barriers. धीरे धीरे वो सब dissolve होता जाता है. And that is something that Akash has shown through international coaching sessions. And now I would like to open the stage to the people here, to the experts here. So what I'll do is I have some quick questions that came on my DM, and I would like to ask you both कि ऐसी कौन सी चीजें जो हिट करती है. So I have some DMs here right now on my laptop, and I'll be asking you a few quick questions, and then we'll continue with the questions that the audience asks us. Okay, so I hope that's going to be okay with you guys. Yeah. Okay. So Ranjana, there is one question that I had with me that was from Santosh. Now Santosh says that he owns he owns a business since the last 5 years. Okay, but now the energy seems like it's becoming a routine work for him, and he wants to do something extra. Like उसका इच्छा बहुत है अंदर से. That is something that I can guess. I hope Santosh watches this live. So उसका इच्छा बहुत है अंदर से, but then you know that energy is not hitting it. So what is your tip? Like I mean the master tip that you can give to Santosh for today.
Okay. The A number one, join our summit. Simple. I will start join our summit which is happening on 5th November. Santosh bhai, please come. You have no idea what you have been losing in 5 years. You will get in 5 hours. That is my promise. If you're listening this or anybody is listening here, if we fail, we give you double the money. I will add it from my account. We will give you double the money. We don't need your money. We need your soul evolution. We need to progress, which is what you just said. You are stagnant, my brother. It's only one thing. I will give a very generic answer. One thing first is the habit we have to check. One habit we have a powerful habit which is ours. Another habit which we have is our environment. So what happened when we do, so, like, you know, I have my rituals, I do, but what happens is every 3 months I get bored. Very simple. I'm a very boring person. I am like, you know, I need something very, very chutney, but my goal will remain same. Like, for example, my vision is to create like some 4,000 crore worth valuation of my company. And that's huge for now. Yes. Impossible? Definitely no. But is it not going to have a lot of problem? Yes. Will I not get tired in this journey? I am already. But what I'm doing, my lighting is not here. My setup is not perfect. There are so many environment which is not conducive right now. So what do? Make it. Make it happen. You don't like it? Like it. See how you going to like it. And how do you learn this? Come to Summit. Join any of our coaching program. This is what we teach you. We teach you where you exactly in your head. I call something called UCLF, something, you know, unconscious, unfulfilled life trapping. You are trapped, you know, unconsciously in a place where you also don't know. This is where there are 99% blind spots in us. So once you have the goal, then you follow certain routines. And after the routine gets solidified. But you don't know how it got solidified, and it's not serving any purpose because you had to get a 4 a.m. Now the struggle was to get a 4 a.m. So what is the routine? Sleep early. Then you have a big program. I take a very intensive how to wake up in the morning 4 a.m. Very intensive workshop. And okay, now after like 90, 100 days, 100 days is a minimum durations. I prefer people do. If they don't do, I don't take them serious. It's like they are orgasm, one night stand. Very simple. 100 days, very उतना करो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. Now what happened? People continue doing the same thing for years and years and years and years. They don't realize those achievement is already done. Now add another habit. Another habit which will give you real happiness, which will connect it to your soul and purpose. Find out your purpose. How? Come to Summit. Come to Summit. Join Summit. We'll have all the answer covered. Second is they don't have someone as a coach in their life. See, it's very important. You have to be learnable. And when I say I am not selling here, please, I don't need to sell anything. I am rich woman. I am a very successful in my head. I'm sorry, people follow. I go chalega, but I am not. Whoever knows me, they knows me. I'm the most amazing person. But you need to have a coach, because couple of years ago I was successful in my career, but I did not realize that I can be more successful, man. Whatever I was in my life, wherever I was satisfied. I was not content. What reason? I don't know. I was not content. What I have achieved in last 12 years, this 2 years of having a coach in my life, I have 11 coach. I am very stupid person. I'm very dumb. I need lot of coach in every department. So these people, first they tapped my energy. They told me my blind spot. They told me what is next. They told me system. They told me operation. They told me R&D. They taught me system. And even if I always tell you, you know, the most, sometimes you say ना कि सबसे ज़्यादा जो हरामी इंसान होता है उसको ज़्यादा पैसा मिलता है. पैसा अच्छा हरामी बुरा नहीं देखता है. पैसा सिस्टम देखता है. क्लाइंट सिस्टम देखते. अगर हमारे पास सिस्टम नहीं है, हम रेजोनेट नहीं कर पा रहे क्लाइंट से, क्लाइंट हमको रेजोनेट नहीं कर पा रहा, हमारे सिस्टम क्रूकेड है, टूटे है, तो दे विल कैच द एनर्जी. So it is not about harami and acha and good or bad. You have a good system placed up, client will automatically come into you. Now thing is habit. When comes Santosh Bhai, even when to go to gym, every 90 days the coaches changes your forms. Every 90 days your coaches, your dietitian changes your diet. Every 90 days spiritual teacher tells you to advance your spiritualism. Every 90 days your business coach tells you, okay, now you have mastered this one, now do something. What I'm assuming, I'm just taking at my free will, Santosh Bhai is stuck in a place now. He's got into unconscious trap. He wants to grow, because whoever asks the question, I love them, because when you want to grow, you look out for the answer, because sitting down and then you just watching is very easy. Like I remember when I was sitting on the Zoom, I was not asking the question, I was still the same. But when I started asking the question, I started getting all my, answered. And also just sitting down in a room and then, kind of listening other people's questions also is very, very progressive. People have their own questions and then, like, ye to mujhe puchna tha, but Santosh ne pooch liya. Then a lot of people fall into pattern. Pattern is boring. See, understand, pattern is you have to develop, because you have to develop an habit. So get up 5 a.m. every morning. So pattern. But it has to be break. Energy is not constant. It is moving. Anything which is stagnant becomes the gutter and rotter. The water stays, it becomes gutter. The habit stays, become the gutter. It becomes unproductive. Your mind, if you don't grow, you don't hire growth, your business become gutter, you become gutter, your personal life become gutter, your emotional life become gutter, and your relationship become gutter. When I say that, I know what I mean. Yeah, Mumbai is and all that. So means every 90 days, you break the pattern. How do you do? I would always prefer hire a coach which you resonate. Don't hire expensive one if you don't have. Don't even just taste the water first. It's like first time people take alcohol, like nay, I'm Satvik, I'm Puja Pat. The first time when they take alcohol, then take sasta wala. Then they graduate to bigger one. Then they graduate to more big one. Then graduate to that red label, the black label, and the blue label. Right? They tasted from 130, 190 rupees ka beer. So the coach also in the life it gives you like that. Don't put expensive one. See where is your business, where you are, and whom you do feel that you connect to the person, and you feel that this person will kind of pull you to another steps. Keep it practical, man. Be very practical. Don't even have this mindset कि मेरे को लूट लेगा. वो लूटने को आया. Please, we are not here to loot. What is us getting, man? Coming at with 6 viewers here, 3 of us coming. What are we getting? Didn't we have our own life? No, but we are on a purpose now. Someday, the universe will make the noise. Someday, if whoever breaking the pattern, following the coach, getting into understanding where the mind is in not their control. Mind have a habit of falling into laziness, comfortness, and how you can evolve. Ask a very good questions. When your life is, if my mentor says your life is equivalent to a good questions you ask, the quality of questions you ask. Like for example, where are you trapped in life? We are just 95 days away of New Year. Just 95 days. Just record from January to 20th September. What have you done? What have you achieved? Now come back to 31st December. All this la goal you wrote. 1st January, all la goals. Weight loss and this loss and that loss. And every Monday, Indians every Monday and every 1st of January. And every 1st of, then make it more intelligent every 1st of every month. It's a scam. It's stupidity. Your habit, your business, your emotional mastery, your relationship do not care about the dates. It's about how much you are growing from the inside, how much you understanding your mindset, how much you understanding what is society actually giving to me versus what actually I am getting into it. Like for example, I clearly know 10% we get our own karma. How we become, how was this thing. 10% we get our karma, 30% we are made up of family, 60% is society. So we have a huge chunks of place to clear. 60% society. You don't know what you don't know. You don't know what exactly you're going through. That is why we have a counselor. I will always suggest counsel can never change your life. I'm sorry. Because your energy is sitting in your memories. Counselor can only gives you some orgasmic conversation and take you some money. But it's a karmic account settled in your chakras. I know I'm a business coach, but it's like fixing the puzzle. So you have to get down in your emotions. You have to start forgiving people. Some people I know sitting 1,000 years and kind of cursing their ancestors. Merko ye nahi diya, merko wo nahi diya. Now you tell me, Akash, you are there. I am there. Sakshi, you are there. Who is helping us? Didn't we realize after so long nobody will help you? Especially try making 4,000 crore rupees company. Try. Nothing will favor you. Still do it. How? Please come to Summit. Please join any of the coaches here. Whoever you resonate to, wherever you feel that you're okay, you need strategy, come to Sakshi. You need strategy plus the courage, you come to me. You need to market yourself, come all 3 of us. Go to Akash. He will guide you. Please get selfish, guys. I'm telling you, be selfish about your own self. If you don't like us, take your money back. Plus give us an opportunity to teach you, to show you what we have for you. You will see our energy. If we are cheating, we are lying, you will catch us. I promise if you catch me, please come and tell me. I want to learn from you which energy, from where you found that I am little kind of greedy and all. I am also learning. I am a lifelong learner, and so are we. This is a very shady word now, but this is what it is. The patterns Santosh bhai have, I'm not sure whether he's listening or not. He have to break the pattern. First you have to write it down. Write what is overwhelming, what is anxiety, what is the goal he have achieved. Now he have to check out that goal and write another one, and write, and then make a beautiful routine around those. And when you say beautiful routine, close your eyes and just check what is that the goal, and what is the easiest and nicest way for you in your heart you feel it's doable. Don't go about this huge volcano of technicals and this coach and that coach, this. No, just check. Everything is there sitting in you. Just check if you're serious. Your soul will answer you. Your soul is the biggest coach. It will answer you, ye karna hai. Then be smart, intelligent enough, little intelligent enough, and find out where you don't know the answer and who have the answer, and contact the person. And be very specific, what do you want from that person. You will end up becoming a lifelong learner. You will become a lifelong friendship. You will end up making a friends for lifetime, because this is where soul connects. And then no longer you will if the person is not there in your life, you will feel empty. You will feel like nahi. So Santosh को एक ही बात मैं बोलूंगी, come to summit, break your pattern every 90 days, write down your achievement, and then write down another 3 goals. Check in last 9 months what have you done. And best is hire a coach. All the information is sitting in them, because they are experts. When you say, sir, when you have to do surgery, we don't do to Google, we don't go anywhere, we go to doctor. Have common sense ना. इंडिया में गुरु शिष्य का लफड़ा पहले से चल रहा था, वो खत्म क्यों हो गया मालूम नहीं. I am telling you, I had some.
Ranjana, I mean that's amazing. I mean all the viewers must have got so much of knowledge right now. The steps that you have told, and not only the viewers, I think like the people who will be watching it later, maybe because it's 11 a.m. so we know we are all hustling and bustling in our daily lives. But then anyone who watches this video later, I would say that continue watching it, because you will be getting a lot of more tips. The next question that we have is for Akash. So Akash, like there is a question from Suruchita, and she says that Suruchita, okay, and she says that I have long time thought in my mind that I need to write a book, but that's not happening. Okay. So there she has left with ... तो आई गेस आपका क्वेश्चन यही आ जाता है कि माइंड में बहुत टाइम से है कि लिखना है, बट नथिंग प्रोडक्टिव नहीं हो रहा. So how to do that? What's the trick to write a book, or what's the trick to at least start writing and start thinking about it? Over to you, Akash.
Yes, thank you first Ruchita ma'am for asking this wonderful question. ये क्वेश्चन सभी का होता है. जब भी वो पहली बार आते हैं, हमसे कनेक्ट होते हैं, तो पहले यही क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं कि मेरा तो ये बहुत दिनों से था, पर वो ना बुक अभी तक मैं लिख नहीं पाई या लिख नहीं पाया. ऐसा बहुत सारे लोगों का होता है. कुछ लोग ऐसे भी मिलते हैं जो 15-15, 20-20 साल से उन्होंने सोचा है कि मुझे ऑथर बनना है, मुझे बुक लिखना है, मेरा भी एक बुक होना चाहिए, मैं भी बाकी ऑथर जैसे होना चाहता हूँ, पर वो बुक नहीं लिख पाते. उनका वो सिर्फ इच्छा ही रह जाता है. और कुछ ऐसे लोग भी हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं या हमारे साथ है ऑलरेडी, जिन्होंने सिर्फ 8 दिन में किताब लिखा है. मैंने सिर्फ 20 डेज में लिखा है, जब मुझे कुछ भी पता नहीं था बुक पब्लिकेशन के बारे में, बुक के बारे में. तो ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिन्होंने लिखा है. सिर्फ इतना है कि अपने साथ सिस्टम होना चाहिए, अपने साथ कोच होना चाहिए, मेंटर होना चाहिए जो आपको गाइड करे एग्जैक्टली, और उसके अकॉर्डिंग आप इजीली किताब लिख सकते हैं. मैं तो ऐसा बोलता हूँ हमेशा सभी को, और सेशंस में भी, किताब सभी लोग लिख सकते हैं. कोई भी किताब लिख सकता है और कोई भी किताब नहीं लिख सकता है. कोई भी किताब लिख सकता है और कोई भी किताब नहीं लिख सकता है. कोई भी वही लोग लिख सकते हैं जिनके पास मेंटर हो सकते हैं, जिनके पास रंजना मैम जैसे मेंटर हो सकते हैं. ऑफकोर्स वो इजीली लिख पाते हैं, क्योंकि वो पीक परफॉर्मेंस कोच है. वो उनको एक्शन लेने पे मजबूर कर सकते हैं. एक्शन लो, उनको उनसे वो एक्शन ले सकते हैं, उनका परफॉर्मेंस अच्छा लेके आ सकते हैं. तो इम्पोर्टेंट यही है, एक बार ठान लिया कि मुझे ऑथर बनना है या बुक लिखना है, तो सबसे पहले कोई भी मेंटर को आप हायर करो, या आपके पास ऑलरेडी कोई मेंटर है उनको पूछो कि कैसे मैं आगे बढ़ सकता हूँ, और पहले ना अपना निश पे काम करना स्टार्ट कर दीजिए। पहले सोचिए ऑथर बनना है तो मेरा टॉपिक क्या होना चाहिए। पहले वो क्वेश्चंस को, सिर्फ मुझे ऑथर बनना है यही थॉट को अगर अपन कंटिन्यू रखेंगे ना तो वो कंटिन्यू रहता है। तो बहुत सारे लोगों के साथ होता है। अभी हमारा ऑथर सक्सेस कोच का एक बैच भी चल रहा है, उसमें भी सेम है। लोग पहले सोचते थे कि मुझे ऑथर बनना है, पर अभी जब फाइनल हुआ ना उनको इमीडिएटली बोला गया कि अभी आपका निश फाइंड आउट करो ना, फिर ये क्वेश्चन लो, 12 क्वेश्चन से पढ़ो, उसके आंसर लिखो और ढूंढ लो टॉपिक। तो उनको इमीडिएटली वो 10-15 मिनट में उनको टॉपिक भी फाइनल हो गया। टॉपिक फाइनल हुआ, इमीडिएटली टाइटल सर्च किया। एक टूल है हमारे पास जिससे हम अपना बुक का टाइटल फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं। इजीली हो गया, 15 मिनट में उन्होंने अपना टॉपिक फाइनल कर लिया। तो एक्शन जब हम फास्ट करेंगे, फास्ट एक्शंस लेंगे ना, तो ही हम आगे बढ़ सकते हैं। और इसी के लिए अगर आपको और भी बेहतरीन जानकारी, कुछ टिप्स कैसे हम अपने बुक को 30 डेज में भी कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं, अगर ये जानना है, लिखना कैसे है, अपने बुक को कैसे पब्लिश करना है, कैसे उसे मार्केट कर सकते हैं, उसको अपने एज ए बिजनेस टूल बना के कैसे अपने प्रोफेशन में, अपने बिजनेस में यूज कर सकते हैं, अगर ये जानना है तो सेकंड टिप ये है कि आप समिट में आइए। समिट में बहुत सारे एक्सपर्ट भी है मेरे साथ। मैं तो इतना एक्सपर्ट नहीं, पर मेरे साथ और भी बहुत सारे एक्सपर्ट लोग हैं जो आपको बताएंगे कैसे हम अपने बिजनेस को, अपने प्रोफेशन में आगे लेके जा सकते हैं। और थैंक यू वंस अगेन रुचिता मैम फॉर दिस वंडरफुल क्वेश्चन, क्योंकि ये क्वेश्चन बहुत सारे लोगों का होता है।
सुरुचिता Okay, so thank you so much Akash for a wonderful answer. And somewhere I feel एक हेजिटेशन ये भी होता है कि कई बार हमें ये लगता है कि अच्छा बुक लिखनी है, एक तो वो एक माइंडसेट होता है कि हाँ लिखनी है, बट देन एक पॉइंट जैसे आपने बोला कि टॉपिक नहीं पता होता या वो एक क्लैरिटी नहीं होती है कि क्या लिखना है, तो वो दो चीजें तो सिस्टम से आती है। तीसरा एक और शक आता है कि लाइक करना क्या है मुझे बुक लिख के, लाइक व्हाट आई हैव टू डू, व्हाट इज माय पर्पस बिहाइंड राइटिंग द बुक। ओके, राइटिंग अ बुक इज नॉट ऑलवेज अबाउट बीइंग ऑथर, दैट इज समथिंग दैट आई रियलाइज्ड व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड राइटिंग माय बुक, कि ये सिर्फ एक ऑथर की जर्नी नहीं है, बीइंग ऑथर की जर्नी नहीं है। एंड आई डिडंट राइट टू बी अ सीरियल ऑथर कि मैं किताबें ही लिखती जाऊंगी।
I will interrupt. I want you to tell, I want whoever is listening right now and who is going to view us later on, I really urge you to share your story, how you wrote your book. It's inspiring and it's a slap to people who says मेरे को नहीं होता है. Please share your story. What did you lose while writing the story? What happened? What was the journey? Show me your book first. Show us your book.
So there are a few people who know about this, but there are few people who don't know about this. So for the people who don't know about this, like I have been through a journey where I was into writing कि हाँ लिखना है, because as you said, like there are people की बोलते हैं like you should write so it adds credibility and stuff. So it was there, plus my husband was behind my life कि यार लिखो. So that kind of a stuff was there. तो ठीक है, मतलब like it was, but it was a slow writing. आज 2 पेज लिखा, कल को वो मिलते भी नहीं थे. Where are those 2 pages on my laptop? Okay, I used to forget what was the file name. कभी टाइटल ही नहीं चढ़ता था उस बुक पे. So these were the things that I was facing. Then ultimately 3 बार तो स्क्रिप्ट चेंज हो चुकी थी उसकी बुक की, like thought process ही चेंज हो जाता था. After 6 months you come back, you are like यार ये मैं क्या लिख रही थी. No. Now I need to write this. Now my audience needs this. So ultimately it so happened that unfortunately I was detected with an eye disease called uveitis, where I lost my eyesight within 15 days. And it was a phase where when you are doing, you are flourishing, everything is going into your systems. I'm holding 2 businesses already. Now I'm holding 3. तो ऐसी चीजें हो जाती है sometimes that you feel कि where do I go now? Like what to do, because my team is waiting for me, my clients are waiting for me, everything is flourishing, and suddenly you collapse down as a business owner. Now when you have a small business, these are the challenges in small business कि एक छोटा सा जब business होता है और जब आप ही collapse हो जाते हो तो आपके पीछे का पूरा system it goes down. किस end तक down जा सकता है? That is someone who you can handle as a business owner. So for me, I was fortunate enough कि मेरी जो core team थी, they said मैम हम existing clients manage कर लेंगे, but then we can't move ahead without you in specific cases. तो ठीक है, somehow the businesses went moving, but due to me having this thing कि यार like I can't see and stuff, तो वो जो 1 month का जो journey था from not being able to see, getting a 5 power का चश्मा to coming down to this 1.8 today, Okay, this was the journey. डेढ़ दो महीने में, 6 महीने में, this all kept on happening, and somewhere I lost my own self. वो एक confidence होता है ना, I broke down. एक दिन ऐसा हुआ, I started breaking down. I said, what am I doing and what will I do अगर ये सब ऐसे ही चलता रहा तो. So then came a point where my husband said, "Okay, do one thing now. Start listening something. You can't see." I used to watch a lot of videos and do a lot of reading stuff. But then that all stopped. तो वो भी नहीं हो रहा था, टीम से बात भी नहीं हो रही. So my husband just said कि कुछ ना कुछ सुन लो. Like, you know, start listening. You used to don't watch the videos, but at least listen to them. So that's when I joined some clubhouses and I joined some podcast, and मैंने कहा चलो ठीक है अभी ये सुनते हैं. So that energy started coming back in, and the book that I wrote was a tool to come out of that depression. Because मेरे पास और कुछ नहीं था करने के लिए, business ठप हो गया था, चीजें were moving but they were at a very funky stage. Like, you know, जो आ रहा है वो जा रहा है. There's nothing left. So that was the stage. And from that stage to bringing up my book, then I started interviewing people. So I interviewed 100 entrepreneurs from around India, from across, even like some of them are international people also. So I started interviewing them. Zoom call जब होता था ना तो मुझे ऐसा धुंधला दिखता था, but never ever मैंने उनको बताया कि मुझे धुंधला दिख रहा है. So that was the story. Sometimes my husband used to set up the whole thing and he used to give me कि 11 बजे तेरा call है, and 8 o'clock he used to set up the everything and then he used to leave home. So कहीं ना कहीं support होता है, yes, किसी एक इंसान का ही होता है, बाकी लोगों का शायद नहीं होता है, but then जितना भी होता है it's enough to move ahead. तो कोई एक इंसान भी आपको अपनी लाइफ में मिल जाए ना जो आपको सपोर्ट कर दे किसी एक चीज में, I think you can just like, you know, bloom out from that one support. बोलते हैं ना तिनके का सहारा भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. So वो तिनके का सहारा शायद आपको बाहर खींच के ला सकते हो. For me at that phase, first was my husband, second was my mentors, and third was Akash. Because वो पूछता रहता था, मैम बुक हुई कि नहीं, मैम ये हुआ कि नहीं, वो हुआ कि नहीं. So I mean that kept me on track कि नहीं करना है. Like, you know, so within 5 months, I did this interviewing 100 people. I scripted it all together. So it's not just interviews. Interviews is the second part of the book, but the first part of the book is all mine. So around 300 pages की book है. तो 150 मेरा है, 150 दूसरा लोगों का. It's divided that way. And it's like a journey for me, which helped me to regain all my powers. कि मुझे क्या आता है, क्या मैं और deliver कर सकती हूँ. So I was able to regain my powers through that. And then I redesigned my whole programs, you know, after writing the book. मैंने आज अपने सारे programs redesign किए. The only reason is because I could go inside myself and I could understand कि क्या वो चीजें थी जो missing थी in my own self. तो एक learning journey था, एक experiential journey था, थोड़ा emotional था, psychological था to come out of all that sunking वाला feeling. And then even the doctor was amazed that, you know, I haven't seen people recovering so soon in such kind of cases. How is it that it worked for you? So I said, I don't know how did it work. And then like the first book that I shared it with my doctor. I said, this is what you created in the past 6 months. And he's like, how did you do it? I said, I don't know. He's telling me steroids. So that was something that hit me यार कि चलो ठीक है steroids की life सही, हमने 8-9 months steroid की lives ली. But then later, somewhere it led me to something that I have today every day substantially in my home, on my DPs, everywhere. तो कहीं ना कहीं yes, it's a very good journey that everyone should take. और mentorship से क्या होता है, journey fast हो जाती है. So the reason for bringing this summit is very very simple. कि जब तक आप एक्सपीरियंस नहीं करोगे लाइव लर्निंग, यू कांट फॉल इनटू इट. तो हम जो एक्सपीरियंस की बात बोल रहे हैं ना कि लाइक, यू नो, यू नीड टू एक्सपीरियंस की है क्या, तो वो एक्सपीरियंस ही सही यार. मतलब लाइक, यू नो, आज हम जाते हैं किसी एक नए रेस्टोरेंट में टू टेस्ट सम फूड, वहां हम जाकर के 2000 रुपीज स्पेंड करके आते हैं. ओके, अब कभी वो फूड अच्छा भी निकल सकता है, कभी इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी कि वो नहीं अच्छा हो, मतलब अच्छा ही हो, कभी वो अच्छा होगा कभी नहीं भी होगा, बिकॉज यू हैव अ पैलेट का डिफरेंस. ओके, बट अगर वो अच्छा हो जाता है, हमें हिट कर जाता है, हम हर बार जाते हैं. सो दैट इज द वे दैट यू विल बी एबल टू टेस्ट एंड मूव अहेड. कभी कभी हमें वहां कुछ लोग मिल जाते हैं, कुछ चीजें हो जाती है, हम कॉफी शॉप्स में जाके बैठते हैं, कभी कभी लोग आके हमसे सामने से बात कर लेते हैं, हे आई हैव सीन यू समवेयर, यू नो, योर फेस रेजोनेट्स, डू आई नो यू. और आपको पता चलता है, अरे ये तो मेरा पुराना कनेक्शन था, या दिस पर्सन. और फिर आप बैठ जाते हो ओवर अ कॉफी, यू स्टार्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट योर बिजनेस एंड द पर्सन टर्न्स आउट टू बी योर बिजनेस पार्टनर आफ्टर 5 months. So you never know how things change. If we remember our stories, Ranjana and Akash, how we met. हम मिले कैसे थे? कोरोना टाइम में जूम कॉल पे. right? Okay, and then when we came up physically together, we said, yeah, let's do it together, and that's how the summit is formed. So the summit comes for the very core of not taking in a lot of things but giving out a lot of things. That is one thing. तो experiences हैं, live sessions हैं, live interactions हैं, बहुत सारे panelists आने वाले हैं. So that is going to be a good crazy thing. You get the time to network, you get the time to advertise your own brands because we have a special networking session where your brands will be highlighted on the screen. So there's a lot of things that's going to happen. बाकी मैं highlights नहीं खोलने वाली हूँ. If you need to come and attend because that's something that can help you change your journeys altogether. So whatever it be, एक छोटा सा इवेंट, एक छोटी सी पहले के लोग होते थे ट्रेन के सफर में अपने दोस्त चुन लेते थे. Like दैट लॉन्ग ट्रेन जर्नी, 3-3 घंटे का 4-4 घंटे का जो ट्रेन जर्नी होता था उसमें लोग सफर चुन लेते थे. आज के लोग फ्लाइट में चुन लेते हैं. ओके, यहाँ लोकल ट्रेन में यू हैव सीन लाइक बिकॉज वी स्टे इन बॉम्बे सो वी कैन वेरी वेल रिलेट कि लोकल ट्रेन में होते हैं कैब फ्रेंड्स होते हैं हमारे, कुछ रोज स्टेशन के पास से एक ही टाइम पे कैब और रिक्शा पकड़ते हैं. सो मेनी काइंड्स ऑफ फ्रेंड्स दैट यू मीट इन योर लाइफ एंड कभी वो नहीं आया ना, अपने को हिट करता है यार 6 दिन हो गए वो आया थी.
Correct.
Those kind of caring people when you start meeting physically. And it's the time now कि आपको मीट करना चाहिए because नेटवर्क के बिना बिजनेस अधूरा है. is something that I personally believe in कि अगर आपकी नेटवर्किंग स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं है, अगर आप करेक्टली उस पर्सन के माइंड को गेज नहीं कर रहे, यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू क्रैक द नेटवर्किंग पार्ट ऑफ योर बिजनेस.
As it's a say that your network is your net worth.
Yes.
That's what it says.
Right.
Networking is your net worth. And the only the place we get the money and the resources is from the sales. Everybody should learn the sales. And it's, I mean, sales is very, very dear to me. And I remember you were just discussing, why, when you get into a journey where, you end up going to coffee shop, you start meeting your friends, you start, kind of getting your like-minded people. See, why this happens is my question. You spoke about the experience, you spoke about the journey, you spoke about you lost your, those phase. I know when I met you, I was crying. Ye kya ho gaya tere sath? But I was laughing. Why am I crying to laughing, has transited within 5 seconds like Ferrari mode? Because, do you even realize that you are on a purpose which is not even very connected to your kitchen. For that too, you have another business. Akash have another business. I have another business. Why are we here? Because we have been groomed, trained and instructed by the mentor. Go and serve the country now. Go and serve as many as people. We are not here for money. Money will come, not come, it doesn't matter. There's a minimum charges for everything. And anything which is free, anything which is not paid, people don't pay attention. This we Indians as know very, very well know. So when I'm talking about, see, I'm also connecting dots, how we met on a Zoom, me, Akash. Akash is helping writing my book now. Akash will help you, kind of help my tribe's book. And he is so reasonable. He gives away in a dirt cheap. The price he is charging is dirt. Anybody every Indian, if you come in contact with Akash, will have a book. Effortlessly. He helps you writing. He gets you ghost writing. He gives you everything. He gives you honor. When you hold that book, see the glimpses in your eyes. Who can do this? And why Akash can do it? Because he have learned from his mentor years and years. Now his agenda is, what do I do now? How much I can write a book for me? 1, 2, 10, 20, 100, 2000. After that, what do I do? This is where you have to progress. This is where now he has become very powerful. You have become very powerful. Now we can't be sitting at home because the moment with so much of dynamite and gold we have in our hand, we're sitting at a home, we will get into dungeon and hole in our soul. So you transform those success to people. It's like, become magnet. It's like, जो आप देते हो वो आपको रिटर्न में मिलता है. जैसे प्रकृति आपको कुछ देती नहीं है, यूनिवर्स आपको कुछ देती नहीं है, वो आपको रिटर्न करती है. जो आपने उनको दिया है वो सिर्फ रिटर्न करती है. Only the beauty of this universe is it returns you with dividend. It returns you with, you put in equity in a company and it gives you dividend. These are the mindset people don't understand. Make you do paisa, make you do charity, make you usko help karo. So many people I have coached for free. And I mean, if they come to masterclass, if they come to summit, if I get an opportunity, your book mentee, my mentees, your mentees, isn't give us amazing feeling where they are in life? Do we get that feeling while eating food? Do we get that feeling, while sitting in a premium car? Do we get this feeling when we are sitting into a 5-star hotel having a coffee? No. Try that. If you have not reached till here, this coaching is not for you. Please leave the room. You have to hit your premium self first. First, you अपना पेट भरो, फिर आप दोगे. So when you get on a purpose, God, now I so believe that you were on a purpose and you were not writing book, and your writing book was so important to other people out there. But for certain, the life was taking over. So God took your eyes. Now अभी जो करना है कर, क्या करेगी बता. Now He got your shining object from your life, and then He got you within. Why He got you within? Because you people are chosen one. And it is so sad that people don't resonate these stories. Like, हाँ ये लोग भी आ गए ऐसे ही, सब कर रहे, ये लोग भी कर रहे. Bullshit to them, man. A slap to them. So like whoever is on the journey, losing the life, losing the money, losing the relationship, losing the eyesight, having some kind of, disalignment in the body, it is a calling. Either you find a coach or either come to a summit. Give us an opportunity to serve you, not even serve you, to go take your hand and take you to another journey and see it to believe it. Don't buy us. Don't just get into what we're talking. Just come. It's like the more you meet to people, the more you start, kind of developing your faith. Like when I met to Akash, when he told me I write a book, I said, हाँ ठीक है. But he said, I do this. I said, हाँ ठीक है. Because ours, creating and developing a faith is a steps. It's a 10-step process, 11 steps process. You don't trust people just like, even if you're nicest person. It's a system because a lot of dhoka has already had come. So all these memories in the chakras and all the emotions kind of dhoka. But he told me, I charge this much and I help you get your book in your hand. As a coach, I wanted to have a book. I had the book, I wanted more. How you felt when God took your eyes away, and then after that, He gave you a book and He gave you rather more cheerful eyes now. How much you see now? तो को सब दिखता है छोटा 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 कोना कोना पकड़ के निकालती है तू. You have become obsessive. You catch things so like in details. So when God's put you on a purpose, He'll take something from you. For some time He'll take from you. And this when He's taking, this is the place your traction will happen. This is the place you will have a crossroads. This is the place you will not understand what's happening in your life. And then if you are not under coaching, if you're not into learning, if you're not into something progressive mindset, you definitely will get into gutter. Definitely. Imagine so many times in your life when we didn't have an answer why depression hits. Because we have no one to tell us what's happening to you. When we feel certain way, people don't come tell you that this is a calling. Go out, share, learn, be out there, be bold, be something. No. And I tell you, 12 years in my life, literally I surrendered to society. I was thinking literally, I don't care about society. I'm a very bold person. I'm very energetic person. But I did not even realize society was taking over on me. I was getting impacted. I was taking, kind of years in my, ये बोलना आसान होता है, यहाँ से सुनो, यहाँ से निकाल दो. इसकी बहुत एक लंबी जर्नी होती है यहाँ पे जाने के लिए. शुरू में आप जब, if you are first time 19 years old, first time 20 years old, first time 25 years old, first time 45 years old, first time 50 years old, उसकी अपनी एक जर्नी हो. You don't know how to get up because this is not a second inning. आप 55 साल के 2 बार नहीं हुए हो कि हाँ उस बार ऐसा किया था तो अब ये बार ऐसा करेंगे. It's always first time. So what do I do? Why put so much of brain? Hire somebody who has walked the path and who's walking the talk. I really feel everybody should have, as my mentor says, you should have coach in every department. Why waste time? Today's journey, we are not living more than 65 years. 35 years, so we are into always shitty. We only have 20 years in our hand. Literally 20 years in your hand to build whatever valuation you put into your goals. Not much. After that, you will get bored. Before that, you are anyway wandering. 20 years you can't give life to God, to good people, to service. And there also, you just for some time not put your own brain and join when people come to a summit just to test us. No, you test us. We will not test you. You test us. So next time when we're doing it, then you come to us and you tell us. You encourage us, have more summit. This is what growth we have. Once in a five years experience, I have a book. With one summit, I have business setup. Sakshi will give you strategy. I'll give you strategy, career clarity, whatever I could according is a customizable. So it's not umbrella. What is your business going through? You will plan for them. Isn't it will be easy because the person don't know second step में क्या करूँ मैं? You say ये कर कहानी खत्म. झाड़ पोछो निकलो. And then work on that. Strategy नहीं पता है तो they should come to you. Sakshi, if this person don't come to you, जो चीजों को आसान करते उनके साथ आसान नहीं होती है. आसान उन्होंने जिंदगी में प्रैक्टिस कर करके उसको आसान किया. लेकिन वो ब्रूसली को हम देखते हैं. आई वाज वाचिंग दिस वीडियो. उसका कराटे हम बहुत बात करते हैं. कराटे में चैंप है किसी को भी एक्शन है. मेरे को ब्रूसली बनना है. एंड आई वाज लाइक रियली माय माइंड ब्लू जब मुझे पता चला वो एक दिन में 5000 पंचेस करता है. एवरी सिंगल डे 5000. मेरे मजाक है क्या ये?
और उसके कितने बोन्स टूटे हुए हैं.
उसके पूरी वो एक्चुअली सिलाई पे खड़ा हुआ है. उसकी बॉडी पूरी स्टिचेस पे खड़ी हुई है.
He told in an interview. He told in an interview, like, so every time he does, like, he tries a new form or like, every time if he halts and starts doing it, तो कुछ ना कुछ हो जाता था. Every movie he has got fractures. So, like, it's an inspirational story. These people are really inspirational. So, Akash, quickly tell me, like, what was your inspiration to write so many books? और क्यों start किया यार भावड़ publication? Why?
Exactly. I want to tell you that. एक्चुअली मुझे भी कोच बनना था. जैसे मैंने उस दिन भी आपको शेयर किया था मैम को कि मुझे ट्रेनिंग में आना था ना. तो मेरे पास सिर्फ मेरा क्लासेस का बिजनेस था. इंजीनियरिंग क्लासेस में पहले लेता था. पहले मैं डिप्लोमा पास आउट था पर मैं इंजीनियरिंग के स्टूडेंट्स को भी प्रोजेक्ट्स बना के देता था फाइनल ईयर के. तो वो हमारा मेन बिजनेस था. तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता था ना कि मैं इंजीनियरिंग की मेरे से आगे 3 साल पढ़े बच्चों को मैं अगर प्रोजेक्ट्स देता था तो मैं खुद को बहुत अच्छा समझता था. और मुझे लगता था कि हाँ मैं अभी बिजनेस कोचिंग दे सकता हूँ, ये कर सकता हूँ. तो हाँ मैं ऑलरेडी कुछ ट्रेनर से सीखा था पर फिर भी मुझे मेरे माइंड में एक बैठा था कि मुझे मेरे पास एक सर्टिफिकेट चाहिए जो बिजनेस कोच का हो और मैं फिर स्टार्ट कर सकता हूँ. पर फिर बाद में जैसे रियलाइज होता गया कि हाँ मेरा एज भी इतना नहीं है और मेरा इतना एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है कि कोई बिजनेसमैन आके मुझे बोले कि हाँ तुम मेरा बिजनेस कोच बनो और मुझे सिखाओ. तो उस टाइम पे एकदम टोटली जैसे हम बोलते हैं किसी से भी मिलने जाते थे वो पूछते थे क्या करते हो. तो मैं बोलते थे मैं ट्रेनर हूँ, कोच हूँ. तो बोलते क्या कोचिंग प्रोवाइड करते हो? मैं बिजनेस कोच. तो बोलते थे हाँ तो क्या करते हो बिजनेस में, तुम्हारा क्या बिजनेस है? तो वहाँ पे एक गिल्ट आ जाता था कि हाँ मेरे पास तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है तो क्या करना पड़ेगा. तो मैं कुछ ट्रेनर्स के पास गया. उनको मैंने बोला कि मैं मुझे बिजनेस कोच बनना है, आप सिखाओ मुझे. तो काफी सारे ट्रेनर्स से मैं जुड़ता गया वो टाइम पे और मुझे कुछ अच्छे मेंटर्स भी मिले. वो टाइम पे एक मेंटर ने मुझे सजेस्ट किया था कि भाई आपके पास नॉलेज है ना तो आप क्या करो ना, आप एक बुक लिखो और बुक लिखो आपके पास एक ऑथोरिटी आ जाएगी. मैंने वो टाइम पे ठान लिया कि अभी बुक तो लिखना ही है. तो मैंने सबसे पहले चूज किया कि मेरे पास क्या है कि सबसे पहले हम कोशिश करते हैं कि हैबिट्स से ही हम सक्सेसफुल बन सकते हैं. तो मैंने बोला कि हैबिट्स पे लिखेंगे अभी एंटरप्रेन्योर्स के हैबिट्स. सक्सेसफुल बनने के लिए क्या हैबिट्स होनी चाहिए. तो मैंने लिखा 20 इसेंशियल हैबिट्स फॉर सक्सेस और 20 डेज में 20 हैबिट्स को मैंने उसमें लिखा. 20 डेज में मेरा बुक कंप्लीट हुआ. अमेजोन पे अपलोड भी कर दिया, लिस्टिंग वगैरह हो गया. पर बाद में पता चला कि नहीं ये तो ऐसा नहीं होता है. बुक में तो बुक लिखने वाले तो बहुत है, फिर लिखने तो कोई भी लिख सकता है पर उसको आगे अगर लेके जाना है अपने बिजनेस को या अपने करियर को आगे लेके जाना है तो ऐसा नहीं होता है. तो फिर बाद में कुछ दिनों बाद मैंने जैसे मेरे कुछ मेंटर्स मिले, 2 मेंटर्स है भी मेरे बुक राइटिंग के जो मुझे गाइड करते हैं रेगुलरली. तो उनसे मैंने सीखा कि कैसे हम अपने बुक को लिखना है सबसे पहले तो, और कैसे बुक को हम अपने बिजनेस में या प्रोफेशन में आगे लेके जा सकते हैं, कैसे बुक को ब्रांड बनाना है, अपने आप को कैसे बुक का यूज करके ब्रांड बनाना है. तो वो टाइम पे मैंने सीखा और तब से ABCD इंटरनेशनल या भावड़ इंटरनेशनल पब्लिकेशन शुरू हुआ है. तो हमने
अमेजिंग
amazing story. In fact, like now is the right time to have a special announcement. So, like, every one of us have had our life का chunk, good chunk और bad chunk. तो दोनों ही हम लोगों ने देखे हैं. बहुत सारे लोग देखते हैं, सब लोग देखते हैं. but then like how to have the stepping stone of moving to from struggle to a point where your business gets stable. Because एक level होता है business का जहाँ you start gaining scalability, मतलब आप बिल्कुल like everything is systemized and everything is moving, फिर आप innovation पे ध्यान देते हो. Next phase होता है innovation. So the first phase जहाँ पे struggled businesses का नाम आता है, जो कि small businesses होते हैं जिनको बहुत सारे strategies की जरूरत होती है, बहुत सारे लोगों की जरूरत होती है to stand with them, stand with them and pull them up कि यार ये ऐसे होगा, ये ऐसे होगा, ये ऐसे होगा, करो. So that is a stage. और इस stage से एक stability की stage पे जाना जहाँ पे आपको पता है exactly आप क्या कर रहे हो, आपको पता है आपके पास exactly इतने members हैं, आपको पता है आपके पास exactly इतना cash है. So this kind of clarity, stability in business. तो ऐसे जर्नी को कैसे लेके जाना, ये सब हम 4 एक्सपर्ट्स अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस शेयर करने वाले हैं इन आवर फोर्थकमिंग मास्टर क्लास, which was supposed to be priced at 999, but for our exclusive communities it's absolutely free. So what will happen is, after this live session on our stories, you can go and you will get the link to register for the masterclass for free. The only thing that we are going to tell you in masterclass is कि आप इस स्ट्रगल से स्टेबिलिटी पे कैसे पहुंच सकते हो, सो दैट व्हेन वी आर मीटिंग लाइव इन फिजिकल यू एग्जैक्टली नो व्हाट यू आर मीटिंग फॉर. सो वी वांट यू टू मेक श्योर कि आपको पता है कि आप हमसे क्यों मिल रहे हो, और इस थॉट से नहीं आ रहे हो कि यार मैं तो अनक्लियर हूं अभी तक कि मुझे मेरे बिजनेस में करना क्या है. दैट क्लैरिटी वर्क शुड बी देयर, तभी आपको उस बिजनेस का उस जो समिट है उसका रियल फायदा मिलेगा. एंड यू विल बी एबल टू इम्प्लीमेंट अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स अलॉन्ग विथ कमिंग, अलॉन्ग विथ मीटिंग, अलॉन्ग विथ नेटवर्किंग. वहां से आप इम्प्लीमेंटेशन का एक प्लान लेके जाओगे. That will be most important for you guys. So talking about the masterclass, I guess this is a fabulous opportunity where you can actually come in, again interact with us in a closed room, share your doubts, look at what we have done to move from struggle to stability. तो ये एक चीज जो है ना बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, बिकॉज बहुत सारे बिजनेसेस जो लूज कर जाते हैं ना, जो इतने सारे न्यूज़पेपर्स जो स्टैट्स दे रहे हैं, 90% स्टार्टअप्स फेल, होम बिजनेसेस फेल, फ्रीलांसर्स फेल, ये फेल वो फेल, ये जो जितनी सारी ये नेगेटिव न्यूज आ रही है ना, दैट इज बिकॉज पीपल डोंट नो हाउ टू मूव टुवर्ड्स स्टेबिलिटी. वो स्ट्रगल में ही जिंदगी निकल जाती है. 10 साल 5 साल ट्रेडिशनल बिजनेसेस देख लो, वो एक ही शॉप अंकल लेके बैठे हुए, उसी शॉप में वो वही चेयर पे न जाने कितने सालों से बैठे हुए मिलेंगे. ओके, सो डोंट बी दैट अंकल, डोंट बी दैट आंट हु इज जस्ट सर्विंग डेली टिफिन फ्रॉम होम. डेली उतने ही 50 टिफिन जा रहे हैं, कभी कभी 40 भी हो जाते हैं. देन शी स्टार्ट थिंकिंग 50 से 40 क्यों हो गए. सो डोंट डू दैट. टुडे यू हैव टेक्नोलॉजी, यू हैव पीपल अराउंड यू. आपको सब ढूंढना है और कनेक्ट करना है उन लोगों से जो कि आपकी हेल्प कर सकते हैं. दैट्स इट. So, yes, masterclass is happening. The date is 8th October from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. 4 hours masterclass is happening. You have me, you have Ranjana, you have Akash, and there is one more expert called Kripesh. He will be there with all of us, and he's an expert into digital tools for business. So that is also something that will be a value add for your business, because आजकल हम टेक्नोलॉजी करके इतना कर देते हैं कि कभी कभी हम अपना पैसा लूज कर जाते हैं. So don't lose your money, but start gaining it. Start saving it so that you can put the saved expenses to investments for your business for the coming months. तो अब आज के लिए इतना ही. I think that's like that's been a very good session where we have talked. अगर आप लोगों ने कुछ चीजें मिस कर दी है, तो people who have joined late, I would say that go back. We'll be saving this recording. Go back and listen to this recording, and do not forget to watch our stories and our posts for the coming up masterclass. We'll see you once again. And closing messages from Ranjana and Akash.
Please join masterclass. Give us an opportunity. I promise once you come into our tribe, we will never leave you. We are not leaving you. Why I'm telling you? I'm just taking an opportunity. Just last 30 seconds. When I was in my business, I remember I have been entrepreneur for most of my life. I know the journey. I know the pain. I know the dirty feeling inside you. You're alone, you are lost, you're losing money, you're losing mind, people losing confidence on you because you are trying, but in the trying process people don't understand and people don't see, and they are not wrong. It's just that we don't know what we don't know, so we keep trying different tools, tactics, technologies, YouTube, Google, podcast, and these are all kind of shiny object. When I say, when you have the business, you don't need a shiny object, you need a customized A, B, C, D. Why do you send your children to a school to have a very customized proper learning? Why don't you homeschool the children? Even there are so many, parents are homeschooling. What kind of parents they are? They are actually educated parents, not educate certified parents. They know this education is totally down, is totally, collapsing. It is just not. I mean, I am an MBA in finance. I did not make any money out of the certificates. Nobody even fucking care, what kind of degree I had. My personality, my bold enthusiasm, my ever learning, my curiosity, how I was, and I learned from, like, totally become a spot boy, like taking jhadu mar on the set, begging for people to help me. And I'll tell you what something, the beauty, nobody will help you. You have to help yourself to see how you're helping yourself. And the bad question is, we also don't know how to help yourself. I did not knew in the context of, I was thinking I will kind of assist people, I'll take knowledge. They really drained me. I thought I was learning, but they really drained me. They utilized me, they misused me. So after 12 years, I come from an experts background. After 12 years, I realized that, okay, if I let my power go in people's hand, whether I am expert or not expert, they will drain me, they will squeeze me. Because they are very clear, they have the business, they are very clear about what they can take from me. But I am in the context of
Right, Ranjana. I mean, I think you've put up a very beautiful point here. Ki, like, spend your time with people, but spend mindfully what you want to spend and why you want to spend the time, and learn steps so that the journey becomes easy for you. So we'll be giving you these steps. A trailer of what will be happening in the summit will be given in the masterclass, and it's going to be a very, very good,
not many
exciting
things,
masterclass.
how we were dark and alone,
Yes.
how our journey was dark and alone, depressing, how scary it was. You used to think, any of you, was sitting in the room thinking, when the day will come when we will go on and coach people. I had full doubts on me. I was like, okay, my mentor is good enough, but it's not in me. No, it's on me. It's मेरे में नहीं हो बात. I was sitting in a Zoom. I had so many mentors. I've learned sitting, putting money, buying courses, and then I realized, oh, ये course काम का नहीं है. तो urge हो जाती है when you become like, it's a beautiful place, but you put lot of dent in your pocket. When in today when I am like here, first I will clap for myself. I have done good enough. You all, Sakshi, you have to clap. Tap yourself also. You are doing amazing. Akash, you are doing amazing.
Everyone here is doing really amazing, and we would like to wind up with the session for today, and we'll connect with you back
Please come to
for
master.
more of lives, more of conversations. Keep your questions ready. You know our expertise, so we'll hit the questions right. DM us your questions, and we'll be solving them on live sessions. I'll see you back again in the next week's live happening on next Thursday. So here I announce the next live also. See you guys. Bye bye.
Bye bye.